If you want to quickly fill an area in Pixlr E on your PC, this tutorial will show you the fastest method step by step. Whether you're editing graphics, cleaning up a design, or just changing a section of an image, the Fill tool can save you a lot of time. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your image in Pixlr E and make sure you're working on the correct project. The very first thing you want to check is that the image layer is unlocked. If the layer is locked, Pixlr may not let you fill the area properly, so take a second to confirm that your layer is selected and ready to edit. Next, you're going to use the Fill tool. The quickest way to access it on a PC is by pressing F on your keyboard. That shortcut will switch you directly to the Fill tool, which is much faster than searching through menus. If you prefer, you can also look in the toolbar, but the F shortcut is the easiest option when you want to work efficiently. Once the Fill tool is active, look over to the left tools bar and choose your foreground color. This is the color that will be used when you fill the selected area or region. Make sure you pick the exact color you want before clicking, because the fill will apply that color immediately. Now move your cursor to the region you want to fill. This could be part of the background, a shape, a section of an image, or any area you want to recolor. When you're ready, simply click inside that region, and Pixlr will fill it with your chosen foreground color. If the fill doesn't look right, double-check that you selected the correct layer and that the area you clicked is the one you intended to edit. Sometimes the issue is as simple as having the wrong layer selected or using a color that doesn't match your design. Taking an extra moment to confirm those details can save you from having to undo and repeat the step. And that's really all there is to it. In Pixlr E, the fastest way to fill an area on a PC is to press F, choose your foreground color, make sure the image layer is unlocked, and click the region you want to fill. It's a simple workflow, but once you get used to it, it becomes one of the quickest ways to make edits in Pixlr. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.